The Confucius Institute at Lorand University in Hungary celebrated its 15th founding anniversary in Budapest Tuesday night. Nearly 100 people attended the celebration, including Hungarian Deputy Minister of Culture and Innovation Esther Vitalios, and Charge d'Affaires at the Chinese Embassy in Hungary Lubo.
Bár a világon már sok száz hasonló intézet működik, ők azon kevesek egyike, akik elnyerték a modell intézet minősítést. Magyarországnak keletre és nyugatra egyaránt ki kell tekintenie. A kínai tudás is szükséges ahhoz, hogy Magyarországon erős innováció működjön.
At the anniversary celebrations, the choir from the music department of Lorand University sang the Chinese traditional song, Jasmine, in Hungarian. Chinese and Hungarian artists also presented performances of guzheng, a Chinese plucked zither, lion dances and martial arts. Established in December 2006, the Confucius Institute at Lorand University was the first such institute in Hungary, and 4 more have been established since then. The college teaches Chinese and organizes cultural exchange activities to promote local multiculturalism.